We shall certainly see the Connecticut neighbors at 3-1, the undefeated Victoria's Secrets at 4-0. They are next. Carter will be on the kick. Connecticut will start this off. The Bears scored a touchdown in this game. It's true. Kick gets away. That goes through the secret spot, and there will be a touchback after. Two very defense-heavy teams, and it shows with the LOL run play.
Number 42 with the carry, 3-yard loss. Third and 7, all on a 9-yard line.
Hullabaloo Jesus getting stopped in the backfield. They're going to throw. Oh my gosh!
Open up a can of Ripsy for that guy.
Well, it's Ripsy for that guy and beer for his horses, and you can get America's Choice horse feed somewhere in the outdoor garden section right by the plants. As your ankles bend backwards but your head goes forwards with great prices at Slot Mart, where America shops. Miller will be on the hold.
Let's put it through. No way they're going to make it.
It is down, kick is up, kick is doinked and no good.
Kick is no good.
And that falls out of the end, bounces up out of the end zone, so... And a throw.
Move it, move it.
Even goes screen pass. Holy hell.
Oh.
What the hell was that?
I think someone put some slip 'em on the field there.
Good God, he likes... Say what it is, go!
Yes. Exactly like Raymond.
Or if you want to go the other route with the feet. I don't know, but I'm a Mortal Kombat fix. Hit.
The line. No foot, no foot.
Kick is down. Kick is
The kick is
no good. It's a mad scramble. He's got to try and attempt to return it. And this is the defensive. If you like defensive matchups, this is going to be a game for you here.
Come on, come
Deep
on.
ball. Touchdown! Connecticut in the end zone. Fireworks did not work there. Connecticut and a defensive heavy one. They're up to get the first down here. This might change the complexity of the game here. He's got to throw. Caveman with protection. Got a man open and a first down. Good play. Bad.
Take the line. Block the kick, block it.
Carter on the kick. It's up. It's
The field
no
goal
good.
is no good.
Connecticut has to, and they're going to mark him for forward progress, I believe. It was just way overthrown, got a little too antsy. Now he's going to have to try it again here.
Make some
He's going to
moves.
throw.
Action.
Screen pass.
I should've-
That's a safety!
Was that another score?
I don't know where they would mark. First and foremost, did the ball go forward? It did, barely. The catch was made just barely in the end zone, and he is not able to get past.
You couldn't see it, but I was vigorously shaking my head no.
Come on.
Carter is having to deal with his Carter axe. Denser than a San Francisco fog. You can't see more than 3 feet in front of him. Get you that here at the conclusion of our second game, and get you all set and ready for halftime. Go over the remaining stuff here as well. First down for 54 seconds left, so Connecticut will take advantage of that timeout. Goes into the end zone. Touchdown!
There it is. Touchdown.
28 points if you're up by 28 at the end of a first, second, or third quarter. It's a skunk, and we go play something else and wait till the end of the game goes. Oh, no, why'd you do that? Wait a minute, hold on.
Let's add another.
They give the ball, they run the ball on the 2-yard line. They give it to a bear, and the bear just completely hibernates with it. Oh, the knee was down in the end zone, so it's a safety.
The away team
Defense heavy, but Connecticut finding some small cracks to fit themselves into as the Blue Girls are out in the field. Connecticut up 16-2 as we approach halftime. Both teams trading a pair of safeties.
Well, it's definitely been a night of streaks being broken, and to be honest, if
give it to the Bear again. Barrels through! Oh, that's a big boy! Touchdown, Victoria! Rumbling, bumbling, and stumbling his way into the end zone. Just not fumbling.
thankfully.
Yeah. Kick his way. It's off the netting, and...
That's not how you Luthez.
This jumping nut shot brought to you by Slapmart. Flash!
We're rolling back prices on mixed nuts at Slapmart.
America's kick is down, and it's pretty much going to be a glorified punt here. Take it near the. Oh, he's got a chance here. Good return, bringing it. And a throw. Caveman keeps it. Fumbles! And Connecticut has it at midfield. Here they go, run play. There they go, pass play, and a quick strike, and it. Oh my God! Oh my God!
The pounds!
Zach Carey injured on the play.
I mean, he's lucky he only injured his shoulder. Right through the Marshall stack.
Good God. It hit him so hard he time warped out of the space-time continuum.
Smacked so hard he fell out of the game. Oh, man.
Yikes. One more time. Slapmart! Slap of the night brought to you by America's Choice Bluetooth speakers. If you're having a fun party, you want to go ass over tea kettle for some sound equipment, have we got it for you at Slapmart, where America shops. With the score here, fourth quarter.
Close, but that fumble could have cost us.
Yep.
Hello,
Catch! Touchdown!
Hello, neighbor.
Yes.
Howdy, neighbor. Well,
That's not far back.
Caveman to throw. Right side beats all three defenders. Touchdown, Victoria.
Yeah, there we go.
Just like that.
Got a real match here, folks. Hartford quarterback had 100 rushing yards.
3 rushing touchdowns. Salakadoodle-bibbity.
Excuse me, game, but what the fuck?
I know.
Exactly.
Catch is made. Touchdown.
There we go.
We got a quick back and forth now. Connecticut back in the end zone.
First onside kick, then the New England versus Stanford one.
I got so. Oh, wait. Breaks down in a hurry. Got the ball away.
Down on the
You
field.
got
And Caveman is injured on the play. Their star quarterback getting hit as he threw. He got the ball away, so the ball did go forward and left his hand.
I feel like he was injured in the other featured game.
a drinking game heavy week.
Yes.
Gonna throw. Left side. Beats a defender. Touchdown, Victoria.
Yes.
It's all about the clock, though.
And minute 26, there is still...
Little offense, but I doubt it.
You're
Clock.
talking about the
The
outside
clock
line.
will continue to move on the possession. Kick is away, and it's no good. Well short. They're going to start from about their own 20. This is the game right here. Need to convert. Fourth and 3. $20 seconds. Myers! Stop short! Turnover on downs. Kid gets the win. Holding off the late charge. 30 to 23.
Well, like I said, of all the teams that could have lost to, this is a good one to lose to.
He says I had no heart. He says I had a decent number of team.
Hello, OTT, and happy Rusev Day. Wow.
XILF Week 6. All streaks end.